Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google ReCAPTCHA on your Shopify store. This is a crucial security feature that helps protect your store from spam and automated bot attacks, ensuring that only real customers can submit forms or create accounts. First, open your web browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your store's admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online business. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Online Store. This section is where you control everything related to your storefront's appearance and functionality, including important security settings. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll notice several options appear underneath it. Go ahead and click on Preferences. This is where Shopify houses many of your store's core settings and configurations that affect how your customers interact with your site. Now that you're on the Preferences page, scroll down through the various settings until you locate the section labeled Spam Protection. This might take a moment as there are several options on this page, so keep scrolling until you spot it. This is the specific area where you can control Google ReCAPTCHA functionality across your store. In the Spam Protection section, you'll see two distinct options available to you. The first one says Enable on Contact and Comment Forms, and the second reads Enable on Login, Create Account and Password Recovery Pages. These two toggles give you granular control over where ReCAPTCHA appears on your site. If you want comprehensive protection, you can toggle both of them on. This ensures that spam bots can't flood your contact forms or create fake accounts on your store. Alternatively, if you only want protection in specific areas, you can choose to enable just one of these options based on your needs. Once you've made your selections and toggled the options according to your preference, look up to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Save button there. Click on it to apply all the changes you've just made. Give it a moment to process and save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google ReCAPTCHA protection for your Shopify store, helping keep spam and bots at bay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.